Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, success and happiness always seem just out of reach? You work longer hours, you push harder, yet the results you want never seem to materialize. What if the problem is not your effort, but your approach? What if everything you desire is already waiting for you, and the only thing standing in your way is understanding how to attract it? In The Secret, Rhonda Byrne reveals a principle that has been known by great thinkers, leaders, and visionaries throughout history. This principle is called the law of attraction. It states that whatever you focus on, you attract into your life. Your thoughts are magnetic. They send out a frequency into the universe, and that frequency returns to you in the form of experiences, people, and circumstances. This is not wishful thinking. According to Byrne, this is a fundamental law of the universe, as real and consistent as the law of gravity. Understanding and applying the law of attraction can transform every area of your life, from your finances and career to your health and relationships. Let us explore the core principles of The Secret and how you can use them to create the life you want. The law of attraction. Your thoughts create your reality. The foundation of The Secret is simple but profound. Your thoughts have power. Every thought you think sends out a signal into the universe. That signal attracts back to you things, people, and situations that match the frequency of your thought. If you think thoughts of abundance, success, and joy, you will attract more of those experiences. If you think thoughts of lack, failure, and fear, you will attract more of those experiences. This happens whether you are aware of it or not. The law of attraction does not judge your thoughts as good or bad. It simply responds to the frequency you are sending out. This means you are the creator of your own life. Everything you're experiencing right now is a result of the thoughts you've been thinking. Your current reality is a mirror of your past thinking. The good news is that you have the power to change your future by changing your thoughts today. The creative process. Ask, believe, receive. Byrne outlines a 3-step process for deliberately using the law of attraction to manifest what you want. This process is straightforward, but it requires practice and commitment. Step 1 is to ask. You must get clear on what you want. The universe responds to clarity. If you send out mixed signals, you will receive mixed results. Sit down and identify exactly what you desire. Do not focus on what you do not want. Focus only on what you do want. Write it down. Visualize it. Make your request to the universe with absolute certainty that it is possible. Step 2 is to believe. This is where most people struggle. You must believe that what you have asked for is already yours. You must act, speak, and feel as if you have already received it. This means eliminating doubt. Doubt is a negative frequency that cancels out your request. When you truly believe, you feel gratitude and excitement, not desperation or anxiety. You trust the process completely. Step 3 is to receive. You must be ready to receive what you have asked for. This means staying in a high emotional frequency. It means feeling good now, not waiting to feel good once you get what you want. The universe responds to how you feel. If you feel joyful and abundant now, you will attract more reasons to feel joyful and abundant. You must also take inspired action. When opportunities appear, you must act on them. The universe will deliver, but you must be willing to receive. Visualization. Seeing your desire as already real. One of the most powerful tools in The Secret is visualization. Byrne explains that your mind cannot distinguish between something vividly imagined and something real. When you visualize your desire with emotion and detail, your mind accepts it as real, and the law of attraction begins to bring it into physical form. To visualize effectively, find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and create a mental picture of what you want. See yourself living in that reality. If you want financial abundance, see yourself holding the money, depositing it, spending it on things you love. If you want a new relationship, see yourself with that person, feeling the love and connection. Make the images as vivid as possible. Engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? The key is emotion. You must feel the feelings you would feel if your desire were already real. Emotion is the fuel that powers the law of attraction. When you combine clear images with strong positive emotion, you send out an irresistible signal to the universe. Gratitude. the fastest way to shift your frequency. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can cultivate. Byrne emphasizes that gratitude is not just a polite gesture, it is a transformative force. When you feel grateful, you're in harmony with the universe. You're sending out a frequency of abundance, which attracts more abundance. The practice is simple. Each day, write down or mentally list everything you are grateful for. Be specific. Do not just say you are grateful for your family. Say you are grateful for the laughter you shared with your daughter this morning. Say you are grateful for the warmth of the sun on your face. The more you focus on what you already have, the more you will receive. Byrne also recommends practicing gratitude for things you have not yet received. Thank the universe in advance for delivering your desires. This act of gratitude reinforces your belief that your desire is already on its way. It shifts you from a state of wanting to a state of having. Managing your frequency. The power of feeling. Good. Your emotions are your guidance system. They tell you what frequency you are on. When you feel good, you're in alignment with your desires. When you feel bad, you are out of alignment. The secret teaches that your only job is to feel good as often as possible. This does not mean ignoring problems or pretending everything's perfect. It means choosing thoughts that make you feel better. If you're worried about money, shift your focus to something that makes you feel abundant, even if it is small. If you're frustrated with your job, focus on aspects of your work that you enjoy. Every time you choose a better feeling thought, you raise your frequency and attract better circumstances. Byrne also warns against complaining, criticizing, and dwelling on negativity. When you complain, you're focusing on what you do not want, and you attract more of it. When you criticize others, you lower your own frequency. Protect your mental and emotional space. Surround yourself with positive people. Consume uplifting content, and consciously redirect your thoughts whenever you notice negativity creeping in. This brings up an important question. Which of these principles do you find the most challenging to apply in your own life? Is it maintaining belief when circumstances look discouraging, or is it managing your emotional frequency in the face of daily stress? Let us move forward to the final insight, the power of consistency, living the secret. Every day. The secret is not a one-time practice, it is a way of life. Byrne stresses that you must apply these principles consistently to see lasting results. This means monitoring your thoughts throughout the day, not just during a morning visualization session. It means catching yourself when you slip into negativity and gently redirecting your focus. It means treating every moment as an opportunity to attract what you want. One practical technique Byrne recommends is using affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce what you want to be true. Examples include statements like, "I am worthy of abundance," or "I attract loving relationships," or "My body is healthy and strong." Repeat these affirmations daily and say them with conviction. Over time, they will reprogram your subconscious mind and shift your dominant frequency. Another key practice is to eliminate the word "do not" or "not" from your requests. The universe does not hear the word "not." If you say, "I do not want to be poor," the universe hears, "I want to be poor." Rephrase everything positively. Instead say, "I am financially abundant." Always state what you want, never what you do not want. Finally, trust the process. The universe has infinite ways to deliver your desires, many of which you cannot yet imagine. Do not limit the how. Your job is to focus on the what and the why. The universe will handle the how. The final takeaway. The secret reveals a simple but life-changing truth. You are the creator of your reality. Every thought you think is shaping your future. By applying the law of attraction through the process of ask, believe, and receive, and by using tools like visualization, gratitude, and emotional management, you can attract anything you desire into your life. The power is already within you. The only question is whether you will use it. If you found value in this summary, please subscribe to this channel. We upload daily summaries of the most impactful books to help you learn and grow faster. Also, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. It helps us understand what content resonates most with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, your thoughts create your world.